Hi, I'm Taylor from European Gutters. I am here to demonstrate how to professionally install a Lindab outlet. We've chosen to make our outlet at 2 feet, so we're going to make a mark on the front lip. Once we've made that mark, we're going to take the outlet and line up the center slot with the mark we've just made. We're going to lock the outlet into position. We're now going to trace the outlet. Once we've traced the outlet, we're going to move the outlet and shift it over a 1/2 inch to create our first line. Once again, we'll shift over, creating a second half. We are now going to remove the outlet and repeat the following steps on the opposite side. Once complete, you should end up with something like this. I am now going to drill a hole in the center of our outlet. We're now going to take our snips and we're going to cut to the first line. Now that we've created our center hole, we are now going to cut the tabs. Now that we've cut our tabs, we're going to take the outlet and lock it into position by bending over the back tab. Once in place, we'll roll the gutter over and begin forming the tabs. We now have a finished outlet.